everybody, my name is Ashley Rush and I'm an independent creative memories advisor located in North Carolina. We're kind of in a new space. Don't worry, I haven't gone far. The part you usually see me recording in is right over here to my left. But I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek into how I organize all of my memorabilia, oversized photos, anything that doesn't fit in one of our, into one of our powder sort boxes. So this is how I stay organized despite being years, and I mean years behind on my scrapbooking. I hope you guys enjoy. So right now you guys are looking at my favorite non-creative memories organizational tool. These are simple Sterilite drawers that are 13 by 13. I have these everywhere in my craft room. They're not perfect, but they work for me. Let me show you how I use them. Here's a close-up of my drawers. They come in sets of 3 already attached, and they're stackable. So if you have more than one set, you can stack them up and create a tower. I have 5 sets stacked up here. And then what I do is I use a label maker and I create labels for my years. I scrapbook chronologically, so this is what makes sense to me. Whenever I get memorabilia, so I'm talking about my oversized photos, playbills, certificates, cards, whatever, I come straight into my scrapbook room, I find the corresponding drawer, and I slide them in. I'm even able to put 4x6 photos in here. Here's my children's school portraits. I've got those little photo booth strips of photos. I have different memorabilia like postcards in here. Towards the bottom, I have larger things. What else do I have in this drawer? So more postcards, a mask from my cousin's wedding. I think I've got score sheets, pamphlets, anything that I might have done in that year. So it's a great way to keep track of all of that memorabilia so it doesn't get lost. Because there's nothing worse than going, oh, I'm going to take home this pamphlet because I know I want to add it to my scrapbook, setting it aside, and then losing it in the oblivion of your house. You do the scrapbook pages, you know you had that, you can't find it, you carry on, you complete the pages, and then months later, you find that doggone pamphlet sitting on your counter. When I have my drawers stacked like this, I have them done by years, as I said. And then I also have drawers for special projects. Like at the bottom, I have my husband's military career. I have my husband's baby photos, some of my childhood photos, some wedding things. Also playbills from when I go to see plays at our local theater. Those are going to go into their own scrapbook. So even if you don't scrapbook chronologically, this will work for you. Having this system also helps get me on task. As I run out of drawers, as you guys see I have done, it encourages me to finish a year or finish a project before another year begins so that I have place to add my memorabilia for that coming year. So right now, you guys see, I do not have a 2023 drawer. It's actually at the bottom. I just haven't moved it up yet. But before 2023 rolled around, I had to hurry up and finish 2011 so that I would have space for 2023. It's built-in motivation. The best thing about this solution is that it doesn't require a whole lot of floor space. A little more than 1 cubic foot on your floor, and you can go vertical. Now, I haven't always had a big craft room and studio just for me. At one point, I was put it into my daughter's nursery when we were in a 2-bedroom apartment. I had it in my bedroom. I had it in a closet. So you can put this stuff anywhere, and it's not going to take up too much room. Now then, what are we going to do once, this is not exactly portable. I mean, it kind of is. You can pick it up and take it with you to your crops, but that's not super convenient. So what I do, once I have sorted and I know that I'm getting ready to work on a certain project, I will open that drawer. If it's a small drawer, you know, not a lot in, as my 2020 drawer is, I will gather all of that up and I will put it into one of our power project folders. Now, if it's a thick drawer, like let's say 2017, I don't know if you guys can see that here, which is when my daughter was born, it's super full. So I will put that directly into one of our power layout boxes when I'm going to work on them. Speaking of our power layout box, I will be featuring this in next week's video, showing you guys how I pre-plan albums, how I scrapbook quickly, and how I can take all of this with me on the go. I look forward to you guys tuning into that video next week. In the meantime, if you see something in this video, like these drawers, make sure you guys check the description. I will have links to everything in there. If you need to reach out to me one-on-one or you want information about Creative Memories, I would really encourage you to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I post almost daily content there, and it's the best place to reach me one-on-one. If you want to come to any of my events, make sure you check my Scrap with Ash site. And last but not least, if you're interested in joining my team or need any Creative Memories products, please check out my CM website. That's creativememories.com/CM/Ashley Rush. Really, I should have that memorized, but I don't know why I tripped over the description this time. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick snippet of organization, and I look forward to seeing you tuning in to part 2 next week with our power sort boxes. All right, guys, I'll see you then. Bye.